like a mountain's roar. We strike as waves on a hostile shore. In the fire's glow, our